Hi guys, so we are super excited to be a part of the Boise Spring Home Show this weekend, and we are just about to load up.
Okay, so I think I'm going to set the rug in first.
Wagons, and then we'll come back out and get the chairs and the...
Okay, so we have located our booth and we are getting ready to set it up. We have all of our wagons full of all of our stuff, and we're going to set up a rug, a shelf, we're going to style it with product, and we're super excited to get started. So a lot of towns have these home show events, and what it is an opportunity for small business, large business, anyone that is in the home improvement arena to set up a booth and really generate some awareness about what their business is and what it does. And for us, it's really important because it wasn't that long ago that the professional organization business was really created in general. I'm not talking about just tidy style, but in general, there wasn't a whole lot of awareness around the fact that you could actually hire someone to come in and organize their home. So I feel like generating awareness wherever we can is very important. So for us, putting together this booth was really a labor of love. We were super excited to make it a fun, informational booth, and we really wanted to highlight some of our services. So we bought a table and a table cover to have our logos on so that we can get that brand awareness out there. And then we also ordered some banners that were meant to be eye-catching and informational, and we set up a fun shelf. We styled it much the way that we would style a kitchen or a pantry. So brought in fun spice jars because that is kind of a next level organization service that we offer our clients when we do a kitchen organization, is decanting spices. So we wanted to show the beautiful spice jars that we use, and then we brought in some really aesthetically beautiful product to highlight some of our other products, such as the turntables that we use. We use turntables in almost every organization that we do, from pantries to kitchens to bathrooms. They really come in handy, and we wanted to highlight some of our most used products. For this booth, we really focused on kitchen and pantry organization, and for most pantries, we're bringing in baskets to create a designated home for each and every category in the space. And so here we just styled a simple natural hyacinth basket, or two actually, with some pretty snacks and drinks, and we're really just trying to highlight the functionality of the baskets. The other thing we really wanted to highlight was labeling, as well as these higher end baskets. These are Marie Kondo baskets. We absolutely love the way that these really take the aesthetic of a space to the next level. So we wanted to bring those in, and also again highlight the labels that we do, because that is so important to an organization, as well as the organizational maintenance of a space. We also brought in the Scout Guide. This is a locals guide, and it is such an aesthetically beautiful publication. We were so proud to be featured in the Boise Scout Guide this year. So we brought that in, as well as some other magazines that we've been featured in, either as highlights or just advertising, just to kind of give a little bit more detail about what it is that we do at Tidy Style. Okay, so we are all set up, and we really hope you guys come down and say hi to us here at the home show. We have little post-it giveaways. We did not want to do a giveaway of like just more junk, and so we thought a to-do list post-it is super handy, right? So we've got hundreds of these to give away. We've got the Scout Guides here. Anybody who wants a Scout Guide, it's an awesome local guide. We have our TV screen running some of our projects here, and we have our shelf that we have styled. So this is kind of styled in the way that we would organize a kitchen or pantry, and We have a couple more things to add to it, but I just think it really reflects our style because we're not only organizing a space, we're really styling a space. So I hope you come down and say hi.